to see you.
Hi.
Well, hi there, friends. It's Conductor Jack
And Oatmeal.
and Oatmeal. How are you guys this morning? Are you doing good? Oh, good. It's so good to see you. You know, we're going to have a great day today. We're going to do some singing, right, Oatmeal?
Yeah, lots of singing.
It's a spring day, so I was thinking we could sing a song about gardening. It goes like this. In the garden,
Yeah. In the garden, yeah.
But we'll get to that in just a second. You know, I am so excited, Oatmeal, because it's springtime and the birds are singing.
Flowers.
And the flowers.
Puppies.
The sun is shining.
Geese.
You know, Oatmeal and I we saw some baby geese earlier today, didn't we?
We did. Oh, they're so cute. They were going for swimming lessons.
Oh, I love that. By the way, Oatmeal, do you know what happens? What happens when it rains cats and dogs?
No, what happens when it rains cats and dogs?
Do you know what happens when it rains cats and dogs? That's right. You have to be careful to not step on a poodle. You know what? We've got a weather report for you today. Today is going to be exactly the way it's supposed to be if you look out the window. So is it sunny or rainy or cloudy or snowy? Oh, hey, that sounds like they're having a good weather day, doesn't it, Oatmeal?
It does.
Oh, I love that. Hey, you know what, Oatmeal, I was doing some spring cleaning, and I found something. You're not going to believe this.
What?
Do you remember what this is?
That's where I go when I go to sleep.
I know. Friends, this is actually how Oatmeal and I first met. I love eating a good hearty breakfast, and every morning I have some nice oatmeal, and I opened up this oatmeal, and instead of there being oats inside the jar, there was this little furry purple monster.
Oatmeal.
That's how you came into my life. Do you remember that?
Yeah, that was so much fun. I got really hungry, and then I just kept eating oatmeal. And then by the time that you opened it, it was all gone.
It was all gone, and I was so happy that I got to meet my new friend Oatmeal. Oh, speaking of friends, Oatmeal, we love doing shout-outs, we love doing birthday greetings, and guess what?
What?
One of the friends that watches us, his name is Oliver.
Oliver.
And today Oliver is turning 2 years old.
2 years old.
So sing a little, just a little bit. Sing a little bit to Oliver.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Oliver.
Happy birthday, Oliver. I think you deserve a big
toot toot.
Oh, and there's another friend that we have to give a special shout out to. Her name is Sophia.
Oh, Sophia.
She watches this channel all the time, and she just learned how to ride a bicycle.
Whoa, I want to learn to ride a bicycle.
Well, maybe Sophia could teach you.
Yeah, will you teach me, Sophia?
Oh, our last shout out today is for a fellow named Liam. Liam, is that how you say it? Liam.
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 Okay. Well, Liam's grandparents love him very much, and they wanted him to know that. Isn't that nice, Oatmeal?
That's so sweet.
Oh, speaking of sweet, I think we should do a little gardening song. Do you have a garden at home, or have you ever been to a garden, maybe at Grandpa or Grandma's house? Oh, that's awesome. Well, we've got a little song here. We're going to need your help. Right now, you just kind of rock back and forth, just like that. We'll teach you the rest of the moves as we go. Here we go.
In the garden, yeah.
In the garden, yeah. In the garden, yeah. In the garden, yeah. Should we sing about birds, Oatmeal?
Yeah, birds. They go
All right.
tweet, tweet, tweet.
So you need to get out your tweets, just like that, right, Oatmeal?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we should do that. We're going to sing
But we
all
need to use
about
both
birds.
our hands to do our tweets.
Both our hands?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, we'll use both our hands. What do we do, Oatmeal? We just
We
kind
put
of
our
make them...
hands out like the bird beaks and we go tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, perfect. Okay, Here we go. Let's sing about birds. Here we go. The birds, they go tweet, tweet, tweet.
The birds, they go tweet, tweet, tweet. The birds, they go tweet, tweet, tweet. In the garden, yeah.
Oh, how about we reach down to the ground and pick up some dirt. Can anybody reach down to the ground and pick up? Oh, good job. All right. Now get that dirt in your hands because it feels squishy, squishy, squishy.
Squishy.
Here we go. Dirt, it feels squishy, squishy, squishy. The dirt, it feels squishy, squishy, squishy. The dirt, it feels squishy, squishy, squishy. In the garden, yeah. Oh, and now, Oatmeal, I think we should turn our fingers into little worms.
Wiggling worms.
All right, you sing this one, Oatmeal. Here we go.
The worms, they go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The worms, they go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The worms, they go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. In the garden, yeah.
Okay, here comes a really fun one.
Okay.
We need to see how high you can hop because we have some hopping rabbits. Can you hop really, really high? Just like a rabbit.
I love to hop.
All right, Oatmeal, take it away.
The rabbits, they go hop, hop, hop. The rabbits, they go hop, hop, hop. The rabbits, they go hop, hop, hop. In the garden, yeah.
Okay, last one. This is a really fun one. Well, the plants, they say, reach
For the sun.
The plants, they say, reach to the sun. The plants, they say, reach to the sun. In the garden, yeah. All right, back to just kind of bopping around like Oatmeal. Yes, in the garden, yeah, yeah. In the garden, yeah, yeah. In the garden, yeah, yeah. In the garden, yeah. Oh, give yourself a big clap. You did a really good job.
Good job.
Awesome. Well, you know what? It's time to say goodbye, but don't worry. Every single day of the week, we're going to be here for you to sing and to dance.
And have lots of fun.
And to learn and have fun.
Yeah.
And tell jokes, right, Oatmeal? So be sure to keep eating your oatmeal because you never know what you might find. That's how I found you. And keep on dancing. My name is Conductor Jack and...
I'm Oatmeal.
And we're from the Zinghoppers. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Every day of the week we've got a brand new video just for you. It's time to say goodbye. Here we go. So long. I got too excited, Oatmeal. Should we try it again?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
That
here we
means
go.
we get to say goodbye again.
It does. Okay,
Yeah,
here we go.
okay.
So long, goodbye to you. So long, we're glad we saw you. So long, goodbye to you. This song is just for you. Oatmeal, tell our friends what you think of that.
Yeah. We like you just the way you are. You're special in every way.
Very, very special.
You're the best
The
at
best.
being you. And that's why we're singing today. So long,
goodbye to you.
Bye.
So long, we're glad we saw you. So long, goodbye to you. This song is just for you. Bye, friends. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe now. It's free.